Alright, ladies and gentlemen, take a look in the brand that gets stolen the most. Well, now they're saying it's Dodge. So let's see. Oh, this is electric. I ain't worried about that. Okay. This is the one that my friend's wife got stolen. So let's see if it's no longer key start. Doesn't look like it. Okay. This won't get stolen. So everything here, hopefully, should be push button start. That way none of this should get stolen anymore. Let's take a look. This only has 6 miles on it. Ready? Yep, push button start. Okay, good. This won't get stolen. Let's see. What else do we have? Please keep off platform. Okay. Those are electric. Oh, sexy looking steering wheel there. What is this? 24 Kia Nitro PHEV SX Touring. 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine with electric motor. So it's a hybrid. Oh gosh. Just turn, I'm assuming. Yep. You keep turning all the way down for drive. Push button, push button for that. Another heated steering wheel. Oh yeah, heated steering wheel's right there. Okay, park right there. Ain't bad. Cool, like a Tesla looking steering wheel. We do have paddle shifts here. Cool. Let's see. Yep, that's push button start. Oh, I gotta check out the Ford Expedition with Mommy. All this here, they should have corrected themselves. Yep, push button start. All these are the same setup. Yep. So they fixed most of these problems. And all this is push button start. Let's go check out Ford now again.